Hi friends, in this video we'll try to understand at a specific interval, like at nth number, either we have to wanted to highlight or we wanted to add one row. So one of my friends has asked that he has 1,000 rows in a column, and in row in a column, and he wanted to add a kind of blank row at each 100 interval, and wanted to do kind of an analysis. So in this video, first I'll show how to highlight a specific interval, like suppose from 1 to 10 numbers. After that, one more highlight, and then accordingly in a with a formula uh, we can use conditional formatting in that, and that adding a specific row, a blank row after each interval with a VBA. So these two little advanced, but it's always better to you guys to understand it and use it for your daily usage. So I've selected the range where I need to apply the conditional formatting. I'm going to conditional formatting. I'm going to use new rule. Use formula to determine which cell to be formatted. Here I'm using mod formula. I'll explain mod formula in detail in my coming videos, but here, since the purpose is very specific, I'm using this, and I'm straight away explaining you mod row, and then the interval I'm giving here is 10. So 1 plus after 1 10, or after 1 it is 10, kind of close, is equal to 1. It's false or true or false kind of situation. I'm just giving a format, either red, green, blue, whatever you want, or some pale color, and say yes. So done. So you have every 10th row is selected and highlighted. So this is the one way of doing, and you can just go and understand this again. Go to conditional formatting, manage rules. If you see here, I have written formula is equal to mod within brackets row and parenthesis open and close without any content, comma 10. 10 is the interval. You can use any interval here is equal to 1. Then automatically it will throw the value and throw the what do you call the color indicator, that whatever you give, so that will be highlighted there, and accordingly you can use this for your analysis. How? Just select it, detail, filter by color, so all highlighted ones are appearing here, and you can accordingly use this for your analysis. Okay, fine. Now you wanted to add, so what I do is I'm just going to conditional formatting and I'm removing, so you don't require now, once you are not using it. Now I'm creating one macro. So create a macro, either you can just go to a developer tab and start recording a macro, or you can go to Visual Basic. Either you can press Ctrl F11, or you can press Visual Basic button, Alt F11 or Visual Basic button. So I'm selecting Visual Basic button through a manual process, and then adding a module. I've already added one module for this video. So I'm writing the macro sub insert row. So I'm giving the definitions here. Dim means actually the definition, and as long. Long is basically a kind of variable. This I will explain you when I create videos on what you call VBA. NN as long. So I'll, in another 2-3 lines you will know what is this N and NN is used. So NN is equal to range, or range is in what do you call is in a row, a column, and rows count, and so it will count and it will go to the end and it will stop. It will not go beyond that. And end Excel up row. Sorry. Come down. Now for n is equal to 10. So basically the first n is the length, the total length of interval. So after when the line to be added, that is what, to nn step 10. So this is also nn step 10. Oh, sorry. nn step 10. So each step is equal to 10 numbers. So that's what we are deciding here. And then rows n insert, we are actually telling here to add it. Insert shift colon is equal to Excel down. When you write a formula, when you do this activity, any activity, and you record a macro, it will come like this. And then next n. So what is happening is, it is repeatedly happening and it's counting till the end of the entire range, and then it is giving this action, and accordingly it is finishing the job, and it is limited to that long. So the count is end, the long is over, and then the macro will stop. Hope you understand. If you have any concerns, you can ask me again. Then let us go to the activity. I went here. I'm going to macro. There is insert row, run. Done. So at each interval of 9, it is giving a row. Basically we have set 10. So each 10th row, it is adding a column. So you can change that number. You can just go to view, code, and go to module 1, and you can change this number to whatever you want. So accordingly it will count. Make sure this starts from A1. From A1 to whatever column it is, it will count, and after 9th, at the exact 10th number only, 10th column, 10th row only, it is adding a column, adding additional blank row. It's not column. So that way it works. Hope you understand. And if you have any questions about this code, for more details, you can ask me. I'll help you. Thank you. And make sure you are using this code. I'm keeping this screen open for another 2 seconds or 3 seconds so that you can note down, or you can pause this video and you can note down that code and paste it in your Visual Basic module and just run it. And range is always in A. Make sure that. Thank you.